Hello friends, welcome once again. Now, in one of the videos, I got a feedback from Adarsh. He says, nowadays youth have different problems and depression. Please do video on conflict resolution. Now, this comment, I got it a couple of times back and I thought of taking it seriously, but I did not, even though I'm working in that domain. And I decided to take it seriously after I showed you this story on this picture. Somebody wrote this story. If you remember, I posted it to last week, where a bank manager got into depression and stress because of workload in the bank and deficiency of staff, and that affected his married life to such a level that it reads something like this, what is shown in the picture here, and frequent quarrels, and finally he said sorry to his wife and solved the problem. Sorry to his wife and solve the problem. And I told you the core problem, depression and stress, this is the problem which led to this problem, and this led to this got created because of the deficiency of staff in the bank and the wo, and this itself got caused because the person was probably mentally not so strong, maybe whatever, but in the story that's where it has come. So I thought to take this topic, that is mental health. It matters. After all, you all also understand that we want people who are mentally resilient, emotionally resilient, physically resilient people. And in 2015, I told you about 40 candidates left NDA because they could not take the physical stress and strain that happened there. So what is the point of going to the NDA or IMA simply because you say you have your passion? You need to also have the aptitude. So I thought mental health is anyway an important issue, and today India is in a bad situation and COVID has only amplified it. So I thought of taking Adarsh this comment or this request seriously. So mental health, it matters. So today we will touch the basics, and we will see if we have certain symptoms, because it is very painful to see that many boys and girls comes to me both online and offline. Offline I have not started, but earlier, and I find they want to become officers, but they are mentally not very resilient. They give up so easily. They don't want to work. They are in the comfort zone, and उस attitude के साथ आप कैसे इतना बड़ा lofty goal को पाओगे? Forget about SSB. It is going to affect your life. So once we make it, and based on your feedback, I'll take various mental issues that are today affecting the youth, including what is seen in the SSB. I don't think many people are talking about it. We are only correcting our TAT and not correcting ourselves. So I'll make an endeavor through this. And thank you to Adarsh to make this comment and make me think on this line. Now, you all know that today India may, on every day in a cycle of 24 hours, 20 people are committing suicide, and they are mostly students. मतलब 24 घंटे में 20 बंदे suicide कर रहे हैं इंडिया में. That's a situation. And it says every 7th or 8th person is suffering from one or the other mental disorder. It could be me, it could be you. So, but we are not aware of it. And secondly, if you have a physical injury, अगर मान लो इस लड़की का टांग टूट जाए, everybody is sympathetic to go treatment करा लो. But अगर इस लड़की के सोच में बीमारी हो जाए तो उसको पागल बोल दिया जाता है. So there is a stigma attached to it. But fortunately or unfortunately, COVID has made this mental health issue very, very prominent and glaring because of the lockdown, uncertainty, job losses, कैरियर का पता नहीं, स्कूल का एजुकेशन का पता नहीं. तो उसके कारण क्या हो गया, दिस हैज बिकम अ मोर talked about an acceptable form of disease. Otherwise इसको तो बिल्कुल ही इग्नोर कर दिया जाता. So 13.7 prevalence in mental health in India as per national. So 13.7%, मतलब 100 में से 13.7 people are mentally not healthy. 28% of the global suicides occur in India. So अगर total दुनिया में 100 suicides हो रहे हैं तो उसमें 28 तो हम contribute कर रहे हैं. 49% has a mental health facility 20 kilometer away. So there is lack of infrastructure in terms of mental health. 26% reported no mental health facility within 50. So हमारा इंडिया में इतना बड़ा कंट्री है, we are second largest in terms of population. 50 किलोमीटर तक में काउंसलर्स का फैसिलिटी नहीं है, साइकियाट्रिस्ट का फैसिलिटी नहीं है. That's very bad. 59 59% reported lack of de-addictive services in their area. So de-addiction center, if you're into some kind of a alcohol abuse, no, it's not there. Awareness about mental health, 57% not aware of any person with mental health. पता ही नहीं है कि हो रहा है, जबकि यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है 13% are affected by this. 28% does not consider suicide to be associated with mental illness. Now suicide is a outcome or a consequence of mental illness. You may be very good on the outside, but you may have trouble inside. I've gone through personal experience in my life, so it's a very, very bad thing if you don't know. So ignorance can cost you too much. So a lot of things I'm speaking is out of my personal experience. Insurance for mental health care, it's not there. You can be insured for so many things, but your mental health is not concerned. So this is an area which is not known. And students, the Kota IIT ka, it's a factory. Kota is a factory. Suicides are happening because of pressure. People don't have an aptitude. Pressure cooker ki tarah hai. The fire is burning, but the safety valve is not. They blast. So one student commits suicide every 55 minutes. So 24 घंटे में 24 hours में one suicide. That's bad. Every 55 minutes. In academic year 2017-18 में 150 students across Andhra and Telangana में. Hyderabad more than 30. Bangalore is known as the IT capital of India. I'm working with two companies, IT company. Bangalore is also known as suicide capital of India. Bangalore is also known as divorce capital of India. जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा उतना ज़्यादा marriage टूटता है. Marriage has today become like an eggshell. It breaks for no reason. जैसे अंडे का खोल होता उतना जल्दी. Suicide rate incident per 1 lakh population, those below 14 is 0.5. मतलब below 14 से पहले हो रहा है suicide incident. So there is an issue. So अभी आप सोचोगे कि SSB में ये mental health किस लिए आ रहा है? Because after all SSB is looking for emotionally and mentally stable candidates, not unstable candidate. I'll give you an example. Before the lockdown, maybe 1 year back, I had a girl for an NCC entry. She was from Bihar, a very smart girl, very energetic, and the interviewing officer was not there. So I was conducting her interview, and she was wearing a shirt which was rolled up till her knees, मतलब elbow तक में. तो बात करते करते interview लेते लेते suddenly I caught something on her left hand. There were two lines, prominent lines on the left hand, close to her wrist. So I asked her, she was such a bubbly girl, na, बहुत जोश type, NCC girl, good language control, good knowledge. So I suddenly spotted that. I said, what is this? जैसे वो पूछा उसको face एकदम उतर गया. तो जब मैंने उसको insist किया तो she said, I have attempted 2 times. Then what reason, blah blah blah, वो सब छोड़ दो. Similarly, I had boys who have attempted, I have girls who have attempted, who have gone through physical abuse by their own relatives, going through psychological disorder. They want to become officers. आपका पूरा response is corrupt होके आ रहा है. So that's why it is relevant. It is relevant for those people who want to become an officer but are suffering from some or the other kind of a disorders within themselves. It needs to be fixed. So TAT ठीक करने से ये नहीं होगा. That's why I thought I'll talk about this. Now you may ask, what is my qualification to do that? I told you my qualification, my experience. है ना? I'm a speaker for an organization called Mind Body Medicine. What does we talk about? We talk about psychosomatic diseases. That is, मन से जो शुरू होता है negative thinking से, which goes out of control and leads you to physical body. And if you don't take care of it, it may lead to depression and subsequently whatever. So I'm a speaker for that. And Mind Body Medicine, it is in collaboration with Brahma Kumari, and we keep conducting these workshops. And there is a requirement that we fix our mind first. Before we become officers in the army, we have to fix our mind first. Our mind, if it becomes our own enemy, we don't need Pakistani. We can screw up our own, happiness by letting our mind go loose. मैंने एक परिस्थिति versus मनस्थिति एक वीडियो बनाया था. What's that? Your intelligence has to always be in command of your mind. If your mind takes over, you are in a mess. So there is a case. So this is, I'm also a speaker for क्या बोलते हैं ब्रह्मा कुमारी, and we conduct this workshop. अभी तो लॉकडाउन के कारण बंद है. Inspirational leadership program. It is for all across all spectrum. Doctors, medicine, engineers, lawyers, bureaucrats, and we conduct these workshops. So I'm a regular, speaker for them. आजकल तो काफी institutions में because of this corona we're doing it Zoom के ऊपर है. So even if you want your college or school to conduct these workshop, positive psychology के ऊपर या make mind your best friend, harmony in relationship, है ना, concentration, stress management, all that, you can contact me at 827-5577-650, your school faculty, and we'll take on. In fact, Nagpur and Aurangabad se, there are two schools who have joined me for 2 years duration. पूरे 2 साल को उनको सैटरडे संडे को हैव टू टेक दिस sessions on self management leadership. So if your school wants to do it, or somebody who is involved in training, you want to take on this, you're most welcome to contact me. And if somebody also wants to join me in this endeavor, not in the SSB domain but in the domain of life skills development, you're most welcome to contact me. My number is, I'll write it here, 827-5577-650. इस नंबर पे मुझे WhatsApp करना and I'll revert back to you. I am also a speaker for this Armed Forces Medical College for the psychiatric department. Earlier, I had conducted a couple of sessions for the medical students, but subsequently they found that what I'm talking was too deep and certain things were in contradiction to their own MBBS teaching, which are on the English medicine ke upar, and whereas I'm talking about the mental illness ke upar. So it was discontinued for the nursing students and for the MBBS students, but it is now being conducted for their staff and for the officers and families, including doctors. So you're most welcome. If somebody is in this army and if you want it to be conducted, your officers concerned can speak to me and I'll do the needful. I also conducted various social forms and women organization, NGOs and all that. So most welcome to contact me if you wish to do that. These are not SSB classes, these are absolutely live classes. ठीक है ना? And इससे पहले I continue further. The next 2 weeks / 4 weeks batch is starting from 8 February 2021 onwards. 2-week batch is from 8 February to 28th February, and 4 weeks is from 8 February to 6 February. Those who wish to register for this, you can WhatsApp me at 827-5577-650. WhatsApp me, I'll get back to you. Kindly share this information with your friends. So let's come back to our topic. Mental health, it matters. And one question that I'm asking you is, are you mentally and emotionally resilient person, or are you a fluctuating person? That's a question that you have to answer me, and let's continue. Now, mental health, WHO का जो definition है, it says mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his own abilities, that is potential. So he understands his strength and he understands his weaknesses, can cope up with normal stresses. Now in the story where the bank manager was there, he could not handle the normal stress and he created a lot of pressure for himself, leading to depression and stress, and that affected even his personal life. So can cope up with normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make contribution to his or her community. So that's a definition. So definitely उस CAT का story का reference से जहाँ से ये शुरू किया, that person, that candidate was not able to do this. Next, there is a branch of psychology. There's a new branch called positive psychology. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग इसको सुनते नहीं इंडिया में. I don't think anybody is offering it. Positive psychology जो है वो एक नया ब्रांच है. It is नॉर्मली साइकोलॉजी बोलने से हिले हुए लोगों के लिए सब एसोसिएट होता है, साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम वाले. पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी इज टारगेटिंग नॉर्मल पीपल लाइक यू एंड मी हु आर नॉट गोइंग थ्रू एनी विजिबल साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स, बट इट्स अ प्रिवेंटिव थिंग कि हाउ कैन यू इंक्रीज योर हैप्पीनेस क्वोशिएंट. इट सेज मेंटल हेल्थ इंक्लूड्स एन इंडिविजुअल्स एबिलिटी टू एंजॉय लाइफ एंड टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस between various life activities and efforts to achieve psychological resilience. तो मैंने psychological resilience के ऊपर भी पिछले बार वीडियो बनाया हुआ है. एंड वेरियस लाइफ एक्टिविटीज़ का सबसे बड़ा है योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ में बैलेंस. सो मेनी ऑफ अस गो इनटू इम्बैलेंस बिकॉज वी गिव टू मच ऑफ अ फोकस ऑन वन साइड, letting go the other one. So in that story of SBI bank manager, the professional life was severely affecting the personal life, leading to depression and all those stuff. So let us see the characteristic of a mentally healthy person. First of all, he/she has the ability to make adjustment. वो हालात के अनुरूप अपनी मनस्थिति को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ स्किल्स एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट लीडरशिप रिक्वायरमेंट, एंड विदाउट दिस यू कैन नॉट बी अ मिलिट्री लीडर. सो यू नीड टू डेवलप दिस. Second is he or she has a sense of personal worth, feels worthwhile and important. So they value themselves, they respect themselves, they feel that they are of value and they feel important, and they will not lie/cheat in order to achieve success. They will take the means that may be difficult but right. They will not hide any weaknesses of theirs. They are they're willing to identify that, they're willing to accept it, they're willing to correct it. They don't hide themselves behind a mask. They don't show what they are not. They are true people from both inside and outside. Next is, he or she solves his or her problems largely by their own effort and make their own decision. They are not dependent on somebody ki sir iska main aise likhu waise likhu. They take decisions and take accountability for their decisions and are willing to face the consequences if it goes wrong. So they are people with high sense of responsibility. Now SSB specific, if a picture is given, you don't manipulate the picture which somebody has told you. You simply do it the way you do it, whether you get recommended or not. That's a man of integrity. Now certain more characters, they know their strength and weaknesses well. They don't falsify anything. They exactly know, if I'm going for this goal, what makes me eligible for this and what all can block it, and what all things that is going to block them, they will eliminate it. They are go-getters. They don't live in their comfort zone. They don't falsify claims कि मैं ऐसा हूँ वैसा हूँ जबकि on ground कुछ नहीं किया. They don't fudge their PIQ. They are honest and ruthlessly honest, even if it costs them. Recommendation की चाह में they will not manipulate themselves. है ना, 3 Idiot का डायलॉग, 16 हड्डियां के टूटने के बाद आया ये एटीट्यूड, आप रखो अपनी नौकरी. दे एग्जैक्टली नो their SWOT analysis कि if I go to SSB, these are strengths that can make me recommended, these are the weaknesses that are going to pose problem. I have to eliminate them, whether it is power of expression, whether it is stress handling, whether it is my knowledge about current affairs or whatever. They will eliminate it. They will not limit to कि भैया SSB 40% देख रहा है तो मैं 40% दूंगा. They will give them more than what the other person expects. मतलब समझे क्या बोल रहा हूँ? They have a tendency to give more than what they are going to get. So you are not a product of your circumstances, but you are a product of your decision. आप परिस्थिति के कारण नहीं हो, आप उन परिस्थितियों में क्या निर्णय लिया, वो that is what is deciding you. So please understand that. And those of you who wish to join the SML batch, because this is what we train you in the SSB, you're most welcome to register for the SML batch, which is starting from next Monday, that is tomorrow, by WhatsApp me at 8275577650. We do these modules: lifeline analysis, assisted introspection, force field analysis, and SWOT analysis, and multiple other things that we as part of a program we do it. So most of you who are interested in this and want to develop yourself, do come. Now, when you write your self-description, you don't take it from recommended candidate. You don't take it from any coaching center. You don't write anything that you are not. Whatever you write, you're accountable. And whatever you write, you are very sure that those are your true qualities and they will be seen by the psychologists in the TAT. That's congruence. What you claim in SD is not only seen in SRT, but is also seen in TAT. That's where the Baba is in the Gufa. So let's see what you do that. So if you wish to see that, you're most welcome to join the self-management leadership classes. He or she has adequate ability to make adjustment in the changed circumstances and situation. Wing Commander Abhinandan ka plane POK mein gira, he has the ability to adjust to that life-threatening environment. Sorry, Major, I'm not supposed to tell you. He ate the map. Why was he doing that? Because to protect that. So that's a man of integrity. So similarly, if this is the picture, you will not transport SBI ka stress into your house because you have that strength within you to face that pressure there at the SBI. Only then you can face it at the across IB. जो आदमी SBI का stress नहीं लेगा, वो साला military stress कैसे ले लेगा? He is emotionally mature and stable, and he is able to express his emotion in a desirable way and exercises proper control over them. He experiences all emotion, but all of them are well regulated. They don't go out of control. They don't fluctuate. So that balance is there. So you understand what is the importance of inner peace. You have anger well regulated. You have your fear, but you have the capacity to overcome them. You are a contented person, whether you get recommended or not recommended. You experience happiness because of your own inner state of mind, not because of outside achievements. You experience inner joy. You are optimistic. Even in face of failures and setback, you don't lie down. You don't become goba. You have the ability to bounce back. So that's a big capacity. he or she is socially adjustable as he possesses an adequate ability to get along with himself and others. So you are in balance, you are in comfortable position with others, you have no you are not an introvert, you are not a person who has social adjustment problem. You know how to deal with equals, you know how to deal with superiors, you know how to deal with subordinate. You are a well adjusted person. Even you know how to deal with opposite gender. You can build very very opposite healthy and secure relationship and healthy and constructive relation with opposite gender. You don't do that, don't knock the door Raja, come directly inside Raja, because you are absolutely socially intelligent person. Next is, so you can fit into any group, whether it's boys, girls, youngs, seniors, juniors, सभी के साथ fit करने की, है ना. Similarly, you know how to deal when there are conflicts. You don't go out of the way, है ना. If there are any conflicts, you don't go out of the way to sort it out. You sort it out within the social norms. Next is, his or her intellectual powers are adequately developed. He is able to think independently, evaluate risk, and take proper decisions at the appropriate time. Intellectual powers matlab, you know how to do critical thinking, that is reasoning ability. You know how to do creative thinking, that is क्या बोलते हैं उसको, effective intelligence. You know how to do cause effect relationship. आपका सोच में आपका बुद्धि रूपी चाकू is very sharp. You are not a dull brained person, you're a sharp brained person, a male or a female, and you know how to think independently. You are not dependent on somebody, recommended candidate, or people like me who are involved in coaching and we give you ready made like spoon feeding. No, you don't need spoon feeding. You can take care of yourself. You understand how to evaluate the risk and then act accordingly, and you take appropriate decisions under pressure. That's what is expected. So when this picture is there, this is a risky picture. You don't make it an emotional story कि तुम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, तो ये बोलेगा कि मेरा बेटी बीमार है, फिर तुम बोलोगे कि नहीं गंदी बात, फिर ये रोएगा, फिर तुम उसको जॉब दोगे और पैसा दोगे. Don't make it an emotional story. Make it a story that means, that shows that capacity to understand what is happening, and don't make all those stupid preconceived stories. And whether it is this, you will not ignore any component of this picture. You see something, you have the power to accept it, rather than saying it breast cancer ho gaya or something like that. No, you have the power to observe it, and you have the power to accept it and deal with it, not making it something which it is not. He or she always lives in the world of reality rather than imagination or fantasy. आपको पता है सक्सेस में जाना है तो there is no elevator. If you want to climb Mount Everest, you can't look for elevator. You have the courage to walk up to that. You don't act like Bahubali कि एक बंदा एक बम्बू से 20 हाथियों को हाँक रहा है, जैसे स्टोरी में somebody has written that. No, you will not. This is no OLQ. You will not write a letter to the collector and fund release करा के bridge बनाओगे, क्योंकि that's not realistic. So I'm sure you understand, we have seen these stories before. Now he possesses enough courage, both physical courage, moral courage, and emotional courage, and value courage, where it requires to take stands, you will take that. He possesses enough courage and power of tolerance, sahan shakti, for facing difficulties in his life. He never repents and worries over his failures and mistakes, rather believes in correcting them. So when the winds are strong, you have the power to bend, and when the winds are gone, you bounce back, and that's the ability. You don't leto, gobar nahi ho. So that kind of a resilience, and you don't keep overly worrying about your mistakes. You simply understand, accept it, evaluate it, analyze it, correct it, and move on. That's the attitude that you should have. So Arunima Sinha को आपको पता है, she is such a girl कि उसका दोनों टांग कटने के बाद look at the way she bounced back. So Arunima Sinha has enough courage, all kinds of courage and tolerance, face difficulty rather than brooding कि मेरा दोनों टांग चलेगा. Wing Commander Abhinandan is another example. And similarly, when we give you this story, don't tell कि she failed in 12th standard because blah blah blah. Don't make her so fragile कि वो छोटे छोटे फेलियर से हट जाए. अगर उसने पढ़ाई नहीं किया, she will fail. और उसके बाद अगली बार लिखते हो कि she passed with flying colors. Why did she fail the first attempt? Your cause to this effect scene is not correct. Next is, he or she feels quite safe and secure in his respective groups and environment. He likes others and is liked by them. He possesses an adequate sense of belongingness and loyalty towards the group he belongs. तो जो आप बाहर हो वही अंदर हो, as above so below, एज विद इन सो विदाउट. आपके पास ग्रुप हो, ग्रुप नहीं हो, टीएटी हो, डब्ल्यूएटी हो, एसआरटी हो, यू इन ऑल केसेस योर मानसा इज कांस्टेंट. आप जो बाहर दिखा रहे हो वही अंदर हो. देयर इज नो इनकॉन्ग्रुएंस बिटवीन योर वर्ड्स, थॉट्स एंड एक्शन. आप एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हो जिसके विचारों में और आपके भाषा में और आपके व्यवहार में कंप्लीट कॉन्ग्रुएंस है. एंड सच पीपल आर रिक्वायर्ड इन द आर्मी, नॉट कोर क्वालिटी को हाइड करके या डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा बना के. यू आर डोंट गो विथ अ मास्क. वी नीड पीपल विथ इंटीग्रिटी एंड यू आर वन ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट इज continuous improvement में believe करते हैं. If they find a deficiency, they have the capacity to push themselves out of the comfort zone. They don't mask it. They don't say ki if you don't have this, mask it. No hiding. It is simply, if there is a weakness, you have the power to attack it and resolve it. That's the capacity that we are looking for. Constantly willing to change. Leave A to B, old unproductive habit, and switch on to more productive habit, that is C to D. That capacity, principle of change, we have already spoken about. You will not only, you will not act at the mass level, action level. Your behavior is a function of your personality interacting with the given environment. You understand at the intellectual level, you have the right feelings and emotions, and you have the right value system. You are willing to change at all the level, and the change starts from the highest level. That's your thoughts. So he or she attempts to accomplish his work as competently as possible. So if you're going for SSB, you prepare it as competently as possible. You will never ask, sir, my English is weak, chal jayega na. So because you are a person of integrity, and you will attempt to prepare yourself as competently as possible, yet you have the power to accept your flaws and put effort to improve it rather than hide it. So no core quality hiding. Just simply accept it and do it. या तो आप रेकमेंड हो जाओगे या नहीं होगे, बट इंप्रूवमेंट जरूर हो सकता है. दैट्स द फिलॉसफी दैट वी अप्लाई इन सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट लीडरशिप, है ना. ही इज फ्री फ्रॉम अनडिजायरेबल मेंटल डिस्टर्बेंसेस. यार मैंने कुछ तैयारी नहीं किया, पता नहीं मैं एसएसबी रेकमेंड हो जाऊंगा, अभी तो 4 ही दिन रह गए, पता नहीं मैं कैसे हूँ, इसी बार रेकमेंड होना है, लेकिन मैंने प्रिपरेशन नहीं किया. ही इज नॉट अ किसान जो खेती नहीं करता और फसल काटने की इच्छा करता है. इज नॉट, यू आर नॉट दैट. यू आर ए मिलिट्री ऑफिसर, future military officer. You will not look for shortcut. You will not hide core quality and sprinkle oil cube. You will simply push yourself, break your limits and push. That's the way I have trained myself. That's the way I train you if you come to me. So you are free from undesirable mental disturbances. ना SSB को लेके ना लाइफ को देखे. लाइफ में अगर हेड आएगा तो टेल भी आएगा, और तुम्हें दोनों को लेने की ताकत होनी चाहिए. तुम्हें सिर्फ रिकमेंडेशन चाहिए, वो भी बिना प्रिपरेशन के. ये एक फॉल्टी थिंकिंग है, और ऐसा ट्रेनिंग ना आप करोगे ना आप किसी को करने दोगे. यू हैव नो साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स, you have no inner conflicts, you have the capability to resolve conflicts. किसी से रेकमेंड होने के लिए आप उनके हाँ में नहीं मिलाओगे. आप हर चीज़ को सोच समझ के करोगे. You know how to handle conflicts of all kinds. You know how to handle your anxieties, because if you're not prepared, you are bound to fail, and you have the power to accept it. You will not want to succeed even when you're not prepared. You will be prepared to fail. No ailments, no diseases of order which is starting from your thoughts. So clarity in thinking, clarity in perception. किसी भी उस व्यक्ति से आप इनपुट नहीं लोगे जो क्लैरिटी देने की जगह कंफ्यूजन देता है. सो नो डेड बॉडी का ड्रामा, नो कोर क्वालिटी का हाइडिंग, नो स्प्रिंकलिंग ऑयल. दैट्स अ क्लैरिटी दैट यू हैव, है ना. यू डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. यू आर नॉट अ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटर. You are not a procrastinator. Future officer cannot be procrastinating for his SSB preparation. You are not lazy. If you have decided to do something, you have the power to do it. You don't avoid something that needs to be addressed because you have made friendship with time. You are a punctual person, a person who has the power to push himself. You are not a procrastinator. I hope none of you is a procrastinator but wanting to get recommended. You will not. I hope you are not lazy. You are not. So he or she possesses desirable social, mental and physical health habits. He is regular and punctual in performing his duty and is not lazy or complacent. No, you are not. Next is, he or she is self-confident. आपका आत्मविश्वास किसी के बाहर के सोर्स के साथ नहीं. आप एसएसबी में बैसाखी पे नहीं जाओगे, अपने दम पे जाओगे. You are this, not this भेड़ चाल, है ना. So he or she is self-confident and optimistic. He does not exhibit undue fear and anxiety. अगर मैंने preparation नहीं किया, I'm okay if I fail, if I don't get recommended. I don't want to get recommended if I'm not prepared. That's the source that you will have. क्या होगा ज्यादा ज्यादा, मैं recommend नहीं होगा. I don't deserve to get recommended with these core quality weakness. If I don't have current affairs, I cannot perform well in the GD. So there is no question of my getting recommended. I understand this and I accept that failure. I have the power to do that. तुम ऐसे हो. He is self-confident and optimistic. He does not exhibit undue fear and anxiety for any new assigned or accomplished task, including SBA वाला story. Impossible होगा, but not possible नहीं है. It is impossible. It may take more efforts, but it will happen. है ना? नामुमकिन नहीं है. मुश्किल होगा, मुश्किल है, लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है. You can do this. Next, he is adequate sex adjustment and does not suffer from sex abnormalities and dissatisfaction. SSB में आके mood horny, don't knock the door Raja, come directly inside Raja. No, this is not the kind of people we are looking for. Looking for people with character. So you are well balanced and well adjusted with opposite gender, whether a female or a male or a male or a female. You know how to conduct in a responsible manner. There is no problem having girlfriend, but there is a lot of problem having emotionally entangled with them, having physical relationship, getting your values breached. There is a problem. There is no problem a boy having a girl or a girl having a boyfriend. My daughter has got many friends who are boys, and she's okay with that. I'm okay with that because there are no emotional entanglement. Goal setting किया है, girl setting के पीछे नहीं भागोगे. As long as that is there. So this story is simply not acceptable because this person has definitely character weakness. With such weaknesses, you tell me, should he get recommended? बताना मुझे comment में डाल के. Next is, he possesses an adequate philosophy of life that governs his conduct and activities. Whether it is SSB or whether it is life, he is a man of character. Are you a man of character? I'm asking you, are you a man of character? An honest man, a man with sense of duties, a man meets his obligation, a person who tells the truth, a person who gives others their due, a person considerate to the weak, a man of principle and stands by them, balance in both good times and bad times, person who is loyal, a person can be trusted. A person who gives others their due. Do you give the SSB their due कि they can detect it even if you're masked? क्या आपको लगता है कि आप उनको बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हैं? मुझे जरूर बताना इसको सोच के. Next is, he or she possesses socially desirable healthy interests and aptitude. So what are your hobbies and interests? है ना, अगर आपको 24 घंटे एक संडे मिलता है, उस संडे को आप करते क्या हो? They ask you what is your schedule on a holiday and a working day. They will ask you कि 6 months of lockdown, how did you use it? Constructive way. And I'm sure you he oblique she, you possess socially desirable healthy interests, hobbies and interests and aptitude. You are not a procrastinator or a time waster. You don't get into PUBG for hours and hours because that's wastage of time. I hope you don't do that. So CIQ on education, CIQ on hobbies and interests, CIQ on current affairs, you will have no problem because not a procrastinator. You have it in you. दिखाओगे उनको. Next is, he or she is satisfied with himself and people around him, contented. Whatever you are, whether good or bad, you have the power to accept yourself the way you are and have the capability to improve from where you are to a better state. Rather than cribbing कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. You will never say कि मेरे पापा गरीब थे इसलिए मेरा इंग्लिश कमजोर है. गरीब थे लेकिन आज मैं कमा रहा हूँ, सिटी में हूँ. Today I can do that. So you are a progressive mindset, not a person who is in a shrinking responsibility. A satisfied life is better than a successful life because your success is measured by others, but your satisfaction is measured by your own soul, mind and heart. In my training Air Force UP, I hardly get people. There are people who get so much of, they have been making buildings and buildings. They call themselves number one. Sometimes they call themselves God, Lord of SSB. They may be Lord of SSB. They're very satisfied, but their approach to training, I don't agree to it. You can question me on anything that I'm speaking. They cannot answer my question. So there is no question of becoming successful by asking candidates to hide core qualities. No, that's not the way. That's not an integrity wala conduct. That's a cheating. Deshdroh bolta hu main ise. So when you go to the SSB, go with these tendencies. That's what they are looking for. सो भारत माता की सेवा के लिए मुखौटा पहन के जाने वाले नहीं चाहिए. उन्हें चाहिए कोर क्वालिटी वाले, लॉयल्टी, करेज, इंटीग्रिटी, है ना. वेदर नेवी में भी करेज चाहिए, ड्यूटी चाहिए, ऑनर यार, ऑनरेबल कंडक्ट. आर्मी हो या नेवी हो, करेज बोथ फिजिकल एंड मॉरल. नो कोर क्वालिटी का हाइडिंग. नो नो नो, दिस गैप कैन नॉट बी फिल्ड विद दिस अप्रोच. दिस हैज टू चेंज. And this can only change when you understand yourself and your own limitations and then work to bridge this gap. No tips and tricks to crack SSB and no signature course. 5 days में personality development. जवानों की ट्रेनिंग 3 महीने, ऑफिसर्स की ट्रेनिंग 5 दिन. नौटंकी है. No hide core quality, no spread of all Q. I'm asking you, are you a person of mentally healthy, are you a mentally healthy person? If you're a mentally healthy person, you will never accept this nonsense from me. So if this is the picture given, you will take it the way it is given. You will not convert into a drama. They are not same. This and this are not same. मुझे बताना इसमें और इसमें क्या सेम है. One is life, one is drama. You will never do that because you are a candidate with average IQ. We don't want extraordinary IQ. What is the point of having high IQ with lack of character? You will become a big cheat. You will not do this because you are a man of character. You will never do what this man did. And you will not wear a mask to hide your core quality. You will never do that. You will be okay if you get non-recommend because you don't deserve it. To become deserving, Kabil bano, kabiyan bhi jak maar ke aayegi. That attitude is what they are looking for. So no core quality hiding. And only you will hide it if you are emotionally and mentally sick and you still want to get recommended. You have to, then you have a reason to believe that these three people can be fooled. Karma, Vacha, Mansa. A sane and healthy person will never do this. He will never improve TAT by keeping himself constant. No, you have to change first. Only then your TAT-WAT will change. So I will request you to kindly post your comment. What have you understood? So next 2 weeks or 4 weeks composite batch is starting from 8 February 2021. 2-week batch is starting from 8 February, that's tomorrow, to 20th February, and 4 week from 8 February to 6 March 2021. The approach to training you have already seen. It will be conducted on Zoom, online batch hai. And to register, this is the number on which you have to message me, 8275577650. Kindly share with your friends. This is a program which has been appreciated by Director Defense Institute of Psychological Research, AFOSOP, and assisted introspection is today known as self-management leadership. And there's a letter from Army Headquarters, the Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program, as a counter to the conventional SSB coaching, assisted introspection, that is SML for candidates and all those things. Timings: SML 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Saturday, and SSB 8:45 a.m. to 10:45 Monday to Saturday. Alternate time for SSB 8:30 p.m. to 10:30. 500% clarity का वादा है. उसका एक feel तो आपको already in video से मिल ही रहा होगा. So I'll hope to get some WhatsApp messages from all of you. 8275577650. Call if you need any clarification number. Kindly share. एंड मुझे बताना इस वीडियो से क्या समझ में आया और आपको क्या लगता है. आदर्श के रिक्वेस्ट के मुताबिक इस वीडियोस को और आगे चलाना तो बताना. तो अगला जो टॉपिक है वो इमोशनल इनसिक्योरिटी के ऊपर बनाऊंगा बेस्ड ऑन द फीडबैक दैट आई गेट ऑन दिस नंबर. थैंक यू एंड आई होप दिस वीडियोस आर हेल्पिंग यू. थैंक यू एंड मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच.